appointment. I'm waiting to get my lashes done because I woke up and they were falling off because I sleep terrible. Like, now I'm gonna get them done. So I got my lashes done. I'm super happy. I think somebody's about to open the door. I'm super happy. So I just got my nails done. They look so freaking cute. Oh, you guys have to book boys tips. Ashanti is the best. This looks so cute. Mirror is dirty, but this is what I wore today. A cropped flannel, bodysuit, jumpsuit, and my Balenciagas, and my Telfar bag. This is me today. Regular, like Erin, you know, outfit. I look very plain today. In the mood to want to make rasta pasta. So I got some stuff, favorite cereal, some seasonings, and my mom dropped off some apple juice for me, and she also got me some other stuff earlier. So yeah. The best apple juice ever. Like, one of the best. Martinelli's apple juice, 100% apple juice. And I also bought grapes because I want to try that little lemon sugar challenge thing, the sour grapes challenge. Whatever everybody been doing on TikTok and Instagram, I want to try it. So I bought some grapes. Hey guys, so I've been trying to work out every day. It's really hard, but I'm gonna try to record myself now, working out, whatever, because this is my daily vlog. So it's gonna be like a time lapse. Really gonna work on my booty today, or my lower body, the glutes. Yeah, I'm gonna work on my lower body, like my glutes and stuff, for like 20 minutes, and then do some stretches. And then I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna eat something, get ready to run some errands, and then go to work. So yeah, just watch. So I follow the Booty King on Instagram, and he has workout videos on YouTube. And I also bought his like workout like package thing, manual thing. So I'm gonna do the workout and just follow him, and then yeah. So yeah, I could just watch. Okay, so now I'm gonna record myself doing the stretches after the workout using the same Booty King stretch thing. So yeah, using these bands. I also got a package that I ordered from Tier NYC. It's a black owned business. I think I'm gonna do an unboxing. I love getting packages. It's like presents to myself. Oh my god. So first things first, I got some tier stickers, which I have so many of these because I'm always ordering from here because they have the best. I have it upside down. They have the best hats. So, you know, if you guys watch my previous videos, you know I'm always wearing a hat, like a tier hat, the T with the NY. That's tier NYC. I ordered some sweatsuits, whatever. This is the packaging. And I like these packages because it's reusable. You could literally use it for anything you want. Extra place to put storage. When I'm traveling, I like to use these bags to protect like some outfits and stuff, or like just keep them separate. Even though I have packing cubes, but I just like this. So let's see. Ooh. So I don't think I've ever had a yellow sweatsuit, but this is called mustard. This is in the color mustard. I hope this fits. This is kind of big. Oh wow, they wasn't playing when they said they run really big. I hope this fits. But this is the sweatshirt. Cause sheesh, I could have gotten an extra small. Whatever. I really could have gotten an extra small. That's crazy. And I'm over here thinking extra small is too small, but this thing run big. But okay, this is the sweatshirt. The quality is amazing. I think that I would be taking this to the cleaners when I need to get it cleaned because the quality is really good. It has the tier, and the rip, I guess, whatever it's called. Yeah, this is mustard. I got this, and I got the bottoms to go with it. I really hope. I mean, I like my sweatshirts big, anyways. Not oldie big. I hope these. Oh, the sweats look like it'll fit. These are the sweats that I got. This is in an extra small because I heard that they run big. So yeah, maybe I should try it on for you guys. So this is it. Try it on. Ooh. I'm playing like I don't have to hurry to get to work. Who texted me? Alright. Oh wow. They're mad long. Okay. Oh, these are kind of big. Like what? They're not, so you know, they're not big. They fit me. It's just because I'm short. That's the problem. Because this right here, I don't know. Let me look in the mirror. I have on the sweatpants and sweatshirt. The sweatpants fit fine. It's the sweatshirt. It's not big. It's like a tad bit big. I could have gotten, like, it runs really big, so I could have gotten an extra small. But I got a small, and it's fine. It's whatever. Like, I guess in the winter time, I'm gonna just be good. If I need to wear another shirt, a long sleeve, which I doubt because it's mad thick. Under, I guess I'll be fine, or maybe I'll gain some weight. Who fucking knows? But yeah, I like it. I'm gonna show you guys what else I got. Okay, I also got another sweatsuit. I'm trying to prepare for the fall, the winter, and each item comes in this packaging. I got the green color. I guess it's olive, but this is so cute. But yeah, I got this color, same size. I got the small top, extra small bottom. I should have got an extra small for both, but it's cool because we're gonna work with it. I don't know if I can exchange, but just look at the details. Like, this is so fire. You see that? And it matches my nails. Y'all see that? Like, look, my nails are not olive, it's like mint, but it still matches a little bit. Yeah, so this is the sweatshirt. Quality is top notch. And I also got the bottoms to match as well. I never do unboxings. I never actually did have I done an unboxing? I have. I don't think I ever posted it though. And then I'm never on the floor. Like, this is so rare, but you know, new scenery, not on my couch right now. But yeah, this is the bottoms. These are so cute. I need to try them on. Oh, these are so cute. All right, let me see. What y'all think? Well, yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. I just love how long they are. I love long sweats. Just pants in general. I don't like when pants are like extra short. And I'm short, but I just like everything to be long. So here's the 3. 60 views. I think that is it. Not for the vlog. Maybe it is it for the vlog. I don't know. Maybe, yeah, because I was supposed to get my feet done today. Maybe I'll record myself in Ulta. Who knows? And then maybe I'll close out the vlog later on. But yeah. So I'm just trying to get back into myself. Get back to myself. I am no longer in a relationship, and it's weird, but it's whatever. I feel like I'm doing what's best for me now, and it's no shade to anybody. I just feel like I gotta put myself first, and I haven't done that in a long time, and that means just being a better me, being the person that I deserve. You know, I deserve to be good to myself, and I just need to do more for myself. So I'm treating myself, I'm taking care of my body, I'm trying to eat better, just eat more, because when I'm stressed out, I just don't have an appetite. But I think that's normal for anybody. Yeah, I'm just trying to just change up my place, like just do different things, try to spend more time by myself, because I haven't been by myself in so long. Like, it feels weird, but it's something I'm trying to get used to. So yeah, this is my transparency vlog. I haven't been in a relationship in a while. It just takes some time to actually get used to it, and to actually feel like, wow, like I'm really by myself, and it's okay, and I'm happy about the decisions that I make, because it's what's best for me. I needed to let go of stuff. So I feel like it took time, like it's now hitting me that it took me time to just let go completely in order for me to be like, yeah, I'm single. Because at first it just felt so weird saying it, like it just felt wrong, but I am. So it's been like that for a while. So it might seem like it's new, but it's not. So yeah, and if I don't close out here, I'll close out later. But if anything, thank you guys for watching me keep up with myself. And if you guys would like some advice, or if you guys have any words of advice, please leave them down in the comments. And if there's some videos you'd like to see more of, please leave them down in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try my best to keep my spirits up, to post more content as I should. Thank you for bearing with me, and thank you for still supporting me. So I do love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video.